Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the day function which comes under the datetime function in SQL. So let's move ahead and discuss about this day function. So this day function returns the day of the month, which is a number from 1 to 31 of a given date value. So suppose you have a date column and you want to find out the day and put it as a separate column, then you can use this day function in SQL. So in our previous video we had used month function to get the month of the transaction column, and now we'll simply add this day function in our query. So what I can do is that I can simply write day and then I'll put the column this transaction date as fee day. Now this day function will return you the value between 1 to 31 of the given column. So let's run this query, and as you can see you have the fee day here, and in your transaction date you can see all of the dates are only first of every month. So that's why we are getting this fee day as 1. So this is how you can use the day function to get the day of a date as a column in SQL table. If you want to learn more about SQL, you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you are interested in Excel, you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.